Hello and welcome everyone to Razi Surgical International. Razi Surgical's FESS Instruments Superset is crafted from premium German stainless steel and coated with permanent medical grade color. Highly precise instruments helps in treating persistent sinus conditions. Our instruments are durable, reusable and autoclave-able with lifetime warranty. You can buy directly from our online store, www.razisurgical.com. The set comes with a stainless steel container which helps in safety and sterilization of instruments. Introducing our Weil-Blakesley forceps with straight fenestrated oval-shaped jaw. These forceps made with precision to hold, cut and remove tissue or bone within the nasal cavity. Straight Weil-Blakesley forceps available in two sizes: large 4 mm and small 2 mm. Halstead hemostatic mosquito forceps is delicately designed to clamp blood vessels and manipulate tissue in nasal cavity. Razi Surgical's specially manufactured tungsten carbide and supercut blade scissor offers precise and clean cutting of tissue while offering minimal trauma. Metzenbaum scissor with slightly curved tungsten carbide blades offers best dissection of tissues. Hartmann nasal dressing forceps from Razi Surgicals are delicate shaft forceps, specifically crafted for nasal dressing and sinus procedures, ensuring optimal control and minimal tissue trauma. Available in two sizes to meet various surgical needs: small 14 cm and large 18 cm. There are some small but very essential instruments like surgical knife handle, Freer septum elevator, cup probe elevator, Cottle septum elevator, nasal knife probe, hook probe double-ended and FESS trocar, which is perfectly designed to make small and proper insertion during nasal surgery. Specially designed small nasal speculum with blunt tip offer maximum surgical access to surgeon's eye or endoscope. Backhouse towel clamps are designed offer helps in patient preparation and draping. They provide best and non-slip hold. Special curved hemostatic forceps included in the set for clamping various nerves at surgical site. Introducing 3 mm up-biting kerosene rongeur, manufactured with precision for FESS procedures. Its ergonomic design effectively helps in opening, widening, or removing bony walls of the sinuses, especially during maxillary, ethmoid, or frontal sinus operations. A down-biting kerosene rongeur, crafted with precision for nasal surgeries. Its downward-biting design effectively helps in removing inferiorly located or rigid bony structures during nasal procedures. Introducing olive-tip suction cannula specially designed for atraumatic entry into the sinus ostium. A two-way special suction cannula and Frazier suction cannula of 8 FR, 10 FR and 12 FR for removing debris, mucus and blood from surgical site. We are proudly introducing our rotative Antrim back-biting forceps. Manufactured with precision, it have a 360-degree rotatable shaft, which help in creating uniform enlargements with ease. Razi's Huizer Antrim grasping forceps is also designed with 360-degree rotatable shaft. With 90-degree curved jaws design, it allow optimal tissue grasping in hard-to-reach areas. Introducing the Giraffe sinus forceps with 45-degree double-action cup-shaped jaws, crafted with precision for FESS. The nasal concha scissor is designed with straight, fine and delicate blades for precise tissue dissection in sinus surgeries. Introducing the 45-degree Weil-Blakesley nasal forceps, ideal for manipulating tissue in FESS procedures. It's available in two sizes: large 4 mm and small 2 mm tips. The 90-degree curved giraffe forceps with double-action cup jaws is ideal for delicate tissue handling and manipulating. At the end we have a mushroom punch forceps, designed to meet the demand of precision in sinus surgery. Its sharp mushroom punch tips allows to excise tissue cleanly and accurately. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.